Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Jan as Mommy. In today's video, we are going to see about 3 different types of bread recipes. And those are very easy to prepare. And the first one is chili bread. And the second one is lasagna. And the third one is bread pizza. Let's see how to make all those. The first one is going to be the chili bread recipe. If you are really bored with the non-spicy version of bread, you can try this recipe. This is very crispy and very tasty, and it is going to be very easy to make. Let's get started. Take a pan and put it on the medium flame and add a tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Here I have used sunflower oil. Meanwhile, cut the breads into cubes like this. Here I have taken a mixture of white and brown breads. Drop in everything into the oil and we are going to fry the bread on a medium flame. It took around 2 minutes for me to get a crispy breads. Once the breads are roasted well, transfer it to a plate, let it cool down. I have wiped off and taken the same pan. Put it on a high flame. I am going to add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts splatters, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then goes in 4 to 5 garlics cut into small pieces. Give it a mix. Goes in 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Fry the onion until you get the golden brown color. That adds a good flavor to your dish. Then goes in 2 finely chopped tomatoes. The tomatoes needs to be cooked really well until the raw smell goes off. Goes in half cup of capsicum cut into small pieces. Then comes the masala part. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, a big pinch of turmeric powder, half a spoon of garam masala, and salt as per your taste. Here I have taken half a spoon of salt. Good mix so that the masalas are blended really well. After 2 minutes, we are going to add the roasted bread cubes. Mix it gently. Mix it in such a way the bread cubes are coated really well with the mixture. Then we are going to add slit green chilies to add more spice to the dish. That's it. Here you go. Transfer it to the serving bowl. The spicy, crispy chili bread is ready now. Give it a try and enjoy. And the next simple bread recipe is going to be the bread lasagna. For this you would need a few bread slices, stirred vegetables, boiled potato slices, homemade red sauce and white sauce, parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese. These are all the vegetables needed for stir-fry vegetable. You can take any vegetable of your choice. I have taken capsicum and sweet corns. Along with that, boiled potato slices. Let's begin with making stir vegetables. For that, take a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in the garlic cloves. I have taken around 6 garlic cloves. Fry it for a minute. And then goes in a medium-sized finely chopped onion. Stir it for a minute. Then add in the vegetables. I have taken capsicum and sweet corn. You can also top up with some mushrooms and paneer. On a high flame, stir it for 2 minutes. I have added the salt needed for the vegetables. Then goes in the masalas. Add a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and give it a good mix. Our stir-fry vegetables are ready now. Keep it aside. We will be using that while layering the lasagna. On the cheese part, I have taken 2 types of cheese. The choice is up to you. You can use either one among them also. Both the mozzarella and the parmesan cheese are from Milky Mist brand. I have my little helper to grate my cheese. She loves doing that so. Also, she has done a great job. Keep all the ingredients ready for layering the lasagna. Take a ceramic bowl or any glass bowl, and in this we are going to layer the lasagna. We are going to layer it with all the sauces, the vegetables, the bread, the cheese, potatoes. We are not going to use the bread directly. We are going to flatten the bread. For that, cut the sides out of the bread and start pressing gently with a roller pin to make it flat. Repeat it for all the breads. Let's start layering. For the first layer, we are going to apply red sauce. And after that, we are going to apply white sauce. You can find the recipe of this homemade red sauce and white sauce in my previous video. Then we are going to layer it with the boiled potato slices. And the stir-fry vegetables goes in the next layer. Add in some more red sauce and white sauce. Now we are going to place the flattened bread. And again we are going to layer it with a little bit of red sauce and white sauce. Next, the yummy layer comes in. We are going to add the grated cheese. And then again a little bit of red sauce and white sauce. That's it about layering. Before layering the lasagna, I have started preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. we are going to keep the lasagna bowl into the preheated oven. We are going to bake the lasagna for 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. It started smelling so great, and we just passed 4 minutes. 15 minutes is over now. I'm going to take it out from the oven. Let it cool down a little bit. The cheesy, yummy lasagna is ready now. You can cut into pieces and you can serve it. That's it about lasagna. Let's move on to the next bread recipe. And the third one is bread pizza. And I'm damn sure kids are going to love this, as the base of the pizza is very crispy and the top is loaded with so much of cheese. Also, it is very easy to make it. We don't want to worry about the pizza base, we are just going to use the bread. First, I'm going to preheat the oven in 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And in the meanwhile, we can get ready with the pizza. Let's see about this simple version of pizza. Here I'm going to use the leftover vegetables which I used for lasagna and the homemade sauces, red sauce and white sauce. Along with that, I have taken 4 slices of bread for base and cheese and a little bit of butter. To begin with the base, cut off all the sides of the bread and start flattening it with a roller pin. Do it for rest of the breads. Now all the pizza base is ready. This is the tray from the oven and spreading some butter on it. Now place the base, that is the flattened bread, one after the other. And after placing the breads, start applying a little bit of red sauce. Followed by white sauce. And then goes in the stir fry vegetables. Along with this, I'm going to top up with some paneer cubes. Paneer is my daughter's most favorite. It is completely optional. If you don't want, you can just skip adding paneer. But adding paneer adds more taste to the dish. And finally, cheese goes in on the top. That's it. The pizzas are ready to get into the oven. Putting the pizza into the oven for 12 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Let it bake. You can see the cheese starts melting. 5 more minutes to go. Yes, it's done now. Switch off the oven and you can take out the pizza. to season this pizza with a little bit of oregano and chili flakes. The yummy crispy bread pizza is ready. Give it a try and enjoy. That's all about this video. Hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon down below to get more updates on the channel. Take care. Bye bye.